So friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the Mitsubishi Electric Inverter AC remote in great detail and in simple words. So let's start the video. On the remote, you can see the on-off button. You can use this to turn the AC on and off. The next button is mode. The mode button has 4 functions. Pressing the mode button will show you the different modes on the remote. Currently, the mode is auto. Currently, the mode is cool. Currently, the mode is dry. Currently, the mode is fan. Now I will explain the modes in detail in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons on the AC remote will work, and the AC will cool the room. In cool mode, the AC will cool according to your settings. The next mode is dry. You can use dry mode during the rainy season. During the rainy season, there is a lot of humidity and sticky heat, so using the AC in dry mode removes the humidity. The next mode is fan mode. In fan mode, the AC will not cool. Only the indoor unit's fan will run. Let's say you don't have a fan in your room, and you don't need AC cooling, and you only want to use the AC's fan, then you can use fan mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will appear. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically, and the AC will operate according to its own settings. The next button is the temperature up, down button. The more you press the temperature down button, the lower the temperature will become. The lower the temperature you set, the more cooling it will provide. The lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now, the more you press the temperature up button, the higher the temperature will become, and the AC will start cooling less. The highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce your electricity bill, then use it at 26 degrees. This is also a very good temperature for our body. If you feel the cooling is too much at 26 degrees, you can set your AC temperature to 27 degrees. And if you feel warm at 26 degrees, you can set your AC temperature to 25 or 24 degrees. The next button is fan. This controls the speed of the fan that blows air from the indoor unit. It works in 6 speeds. Currently, the fan speed is on auto. Currently, the fan speed is on silent. Currently, the fan speed is on low. Currently, the fan speed is on medium. Currently, the fan speed is on high. Currently, the fan speed is on super high. You can control the fan speed according to your needs. If you want to cool the room quickly, set the fan speed to super high. The next button is vane. This button controls the front swing of the AC. It works in an up and down motion. Using this swing will help the AC cooling spread faster in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, pressing this button will stop the AC swing flap there. You can also see the swing direction on the remote, and pressing this button again will make the swing flap work automatically. The next button is wide vane. This button controls the inner swing of the AC. It works from right to left. Using this swing will help the AC cooling spread faster in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing, pressing this button will stop the AC swing there, and pressing this button again will make the swing work automatically. The next button is long. The Mitsubishi AC's long airflow function is a feature that directs air further into the room, providing a more sufficient and comfortable airflow for better cooling or heating performance. This functionality helps the air reach all corners of the room more effectively, ensuring a uniform temperature and greater comfort throughout the air-conditioned area. The next function is EconoCool. EconoCool mode is an energy-saving feature found in Mitsubishi electric air conditioners that helps you achieve comfortable cooling with less power consumption. It's essentially similar to the common Eco or Economy mode, but in some Mitsubishi AC models, it's specifically branded as EconoCool. EconoCool is an energy-saving cooling mode that modifies how your AC operates to reduce power consumption. When you activate EconoCool, it slightly increases the temperature setting by approximately 2 degrees Celsius to conserve energy. It adjusts the airflow to ensure the cool air is directed more efficiently towards the occupants. It runs the compressor at a lower capacity and more efficiently. Benefits of EconoCool: energy saving. This mode consumes less electricity compared to the normal, cool mode, potentially reducing your electricity bills. Comfortable cooling. Despite the slightly higher temperature setting, the intelligent airflow provides a comfortable cooling experience. Extended AC lifespan. The AC operates under less stress, which can extend its lifespan. The next function is Powerful Cool. Mitsubishi AC offer a powerful cool, fast cooling feature in some models. This allows the AC to operate with faster and more powerful cooling at the touch of a button. This feature temporarily increases the fan speed and compressor operation to cool the room quickly. This is useful when you need immediate relief on a very hot day. Note: this feature may be available under different names in different models, e.g., fast cooling, high power cooling, powerful mode, etc. Why is powerful cool useful? Faster cooling. The room temperature drops faster compared to the normal mode. The turbine fan or compressor runs at maximum capacity for a short period, provides instant relief from the heat. The next button is iSave. The iSave function allows you to save your preferred temperature and remote settings on the remote control. Let me explain how it works. First, you need to press the iSave button once. After pressing the iSave button, set your preferred temperature or the settings you like. For example, let's say I've set the temperature to 25 degrees in cool mode, and I want to save this setting. Then, I will press the iSave button again, and my remote settings will be saved. Now, if by chance my remote settings get messed up or changed, I can press this button once to restore my saved settings. The next button is the timer. Before using the timer, please make sure that the current time is set on the remote control. You can only use the timer if the current time is set on the remote. If the current time is not set on the remote, you cannot use the timer. To set the current time, first press the clock button using a pin. Now you can set the current time using the up and down buttons on the timer. For example, let's say it's 9:09 AM on my mobile phone. So now I will set the time to 9:09 AM. Now that I have set the time, I will press the set button once, and then I will press the day button to set the current day. And then pressing the clock button again will set the current time and day. As soon as you press the timer on button, the timer on time will be displayed. Now, set the timer on time using the up and down buttons. With the timer on function, you can automatically switch on your AC according to the set time. For example, if I want to automatically switch on my AC at 10 PM, I will set the time to 10 PM. And I will press the set button. As soon as you press the set button, the day option will appear. In the day option, you can set the day according to your preference, or if you want, you can set Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or whichever day you want to use the timer. For example, let's say I want my AC to turn on automatically at 10 PM every day of the week. I will select all 7 days and then press the set button, which will complete the timer setup. As soon as you press the timer off button, the timer off time will be displayed. Now, set the timer off time using the up and down buttons. With the timer off function, you can automatically switch off your AC according to the time. For example, if I want to switch off my AC automatically at 5 AM, I will set the time to 5 AM. And I will press the set button. As soon as you press the set button, the day option will appear. In the day option, you can set the day according to your preference, or if you want, you can set Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or whichever day you want to use the timer. For example, let's say I want my AC to automatically turn off at 5 AM every day of the week, so I will select all 7 days and press the set button, which will complete the timer off setting. If you want to cancel the timer, first press the timer on button and set the time you had previously set to 0. After setting it to 0, press the set button once. Then, select all the days you had set for the weekly timer. After selecting the days, press the set button again. As soon as you press the set button, the timer on will be cancelled. Now, you need to cancel the timer off using the same process. To remove the timer on and timer off times from the remote's display, press the remote's on, off button twice. This will completely remove the timer on and timer off times from the remote's display. Because this video is quite long, I haven't explained the weekly timer in detail. You can also set the weekly timer on the remote using the same process. The next button is the reset button. If your AC remote is not working properly or the buttons are not functioning correctly, pressing the reset button will reset your AC remote, and it will start working like new. If you understood the information I provided, please like my video and subscribe to my channel.